forums, here we go. This is all I do is just spend all day looking at car stuff because I have no life and all my life is my car and my car is my life. Oh shit, there's a knock. Oh shit, let me go. Let's see if I can catch the guy. Damn, it took off. Oh, my package is here though. Hey, let's go. So here we have the Daytona Pro shift knob and the likewise adapter. All right guys, so this is my old shift knob right here. I actually really do like this one, but you know, it was a bit too small and I prefer more of the, you know, the ones where you can like grip it like that and you know. So anyways, that's it. And that's my like shift surround or whatever. The shift boot is not all the way in just because I wasn't sure if I was gonna put it in or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna install it here. I'm gonna take this out, put the Daytona Pro, see how it looks. If I don't like it, then I'm gonna go ahead and put that, finish putting the shift boot in, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Peace. All right guys, I did it. Now I for a fact I'm going to need to buy an adapter because this shit looks ugly. Holy, I definitely need to buy that likewise adapter thingy that you put here, whatever, I don't know what the hell it is, because this is not the move right here. It is no bueno, but it does look good, it feels nice, and I'm very happy with it. You forgot to drop the package. You dropped the package. You took off with the package. You have to drop the package. All right, let's do it again. I'm gonna keep that. Yeah. All right, let's do it again. Let's do it again.